Boom.
Okay, so I'll just aim at all you guys.
Yeah.
That's how you throw it too.
No, you just hold it normal.
Okay. Awesome, dude.
The shit the whole time.
So tell the people what we're trying to do. Across the street, paper airplanes.
It's recording, right?
Yeah.
You'll cut that off.
And
No, just hold it like this. Oh, yeah. This goes up and down. So if you want to pan,
That's sweet. How much you buy this shit?
$218.
Worth it?
So far, no one can make it work here.
Kids making it over there.
Yeah, hold it normally. Hold it straight up.
Wow.
Okay.
Cheating with YouTube?
No.
The adults?
This is precision right here. So first you make the draft, then you go to the real part.
Dude, this is fucking legit.
Which one, that?
You need to find more things to film with this.
Oh, my YouTube videos, dude. My YouTube videos will be more. Production quality is going up.
Go hiking with it.
As long as you don't drop it, dude.
Yeah, this is kind of heavy. You're gonna.
Josh can do it. Or he's doing kids, dude, for fun. Lifting kids up.
Dog wondering what the fuck these people are doing.
Can we make 2 of them?
Right. I don't care.
I need 2 chances. This one's gonna be a super stealth one. The other one's gonna be my normal.
Ooh.
Oh, I got one.
Testing. I didn't get that, but
Let's see. Test them real quick.
Oh, that one.
Oh, that's good.
Okay.
I just gotta fill that up.
Oh, it goes inside.
See? See how active this is.
this reminds me of that Office episode.
This is engineering, dude. That's what I think. I'm an engineer, dude.
Oh! Ready?
You only need one?
Got it. That's all I need, man. Hopefully it's got it.
What's the other button for? The one to the left of the 2 buttons?
Well, then I have too many.
Is this
I have too many.
Shit good, right?
this one will go like this, right? You click this once, then it'll go with you. See the difference? Now, if you do it twice, this gives you.
Launch at the same
see?
time or what?
It'll move with it. You want to go up? It'll point it up. You want to go down? Points it
I see a
down.
bunch of
So that one you don't need to use this. This one's better.
This one's better.
Yeah. Wherever you look, it'll go. So if you're holding it down, it'll go down. If you're looking up.
Okay, this is better. All right, so
Alright, fucked up.
kids, what about them? You ready?
I need a paper clip.
No, you can't have
Wait.
I need a penny.
it. Yeah, gee.
I have stuff a penny on my nose.
Dude, you guys have fancy airplanes here.
I don't see you.
Look at me. I was trying to do this and then I got stuck.
Mine was just quick, dude. Mine was simple, dude.
I put like 1,000 creases in there. I don't know what I was doing. Yeah, dude. I don't know what this is. I was making.
Ooh, nice.
No.
Go, one more test.
No testing. There's no testing phase yet. This is all based on theories. This theory is fucking 35 years in the making right here. Without YouTube videos. 100% engineered by me. I'm so believe this is wrong. Bam! I'm set. You got your plane? Crappy plane? Crappy plane's not gonna. Are you talking crap to your daughter? Your crappy plane's not gonna do anything.
That is a perfect shot.
Old school way, this way.
You need stabilizers in
The
the back.
original way. You don't remember this way?
One more fold and that's it.
You remember the
more
OG
fold.
way right here? Go right in. You keep it nice. Oh, that gave you the other way too.
No,
Then you fold it out way to keep it tucked.
You should have done this in like different rooms, so secret engineering techniques.
Doesn't matter. I'm gonna win.
Like I'm gonna steal your blueprint.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
You should steal mine.
You should still mine.
And see, that's the thing. Everyone's
Got
doing.
folds and folds and folds. This is a 20-fold project. NASA makes simple space shuttles, dude. Alright.
Pre-flight fight.
See, I got tip edge, no edge.
Here we go. We're gonna do one by one. Across.
That's science. Physics, guys. Physics.
All right, the furthest, but the aim is across the
Do
street.
the inverted one.
Let's
I don't know
go.
what I did here.
Everybody.
Kids.
The street's so close. How could
Okay, okay, over that fence onto the boat.
How could you guys not hit the street?
Yeah, that's how.
Right?
Go.
We got sperm.
I'm gonna aim for that right there.
Who's
Aim-
going first? It's
Aim,
all.
aim for the boat.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
It's recording.
Yeah, the wind's gonna check everything out. As soon as it's the wind.
This is the. I was messed up, so I'll go first with the messed ups. Oh, look, you're trying to push me back, dude. Is this littering? They should like.
It is, but it's cool.
Not the street. Hey, you did that pretty hard too.
Not the street. Go, guys.
Go.
It's right there.
I'm doing it. Go. And with this, it's like this.
You only did one?
Alright,
Got two entries.
I'll do a second.
We'll do another one.
No.
Sweet, now that was whack.
I'm winning so far. Okay,
That
here
was
we go.
whack.
This is the winner.
Yeah, that's the winner.
Oh. Oh.
Oh! Man, that was in the street.
Did it?
That's on the street. By the bike lane.
Black
Is that
lady
it?
said?
No, I never mind.
How are we gonna get those ones behind the thing?
You're not.
Alright, go ahead, down. I don't want to throw it hard and mess it up. So you do that.
Alright, now let's hit it.
Alright. Oh, go keep doing it!
Is it?
Oh!
He hit the tree.
Dang, that was going like freaking barrel
Oh, look, I
tilting,
touched the curve.
Told you, dude.
Precision engineering.
That was it, man.
35 years of
With
working.
all those damn
This ain't right. This airplane ain't right.
Hey, that was going too. Let's do it.
Well, when the wind is going this way, that's when you should have
We'll
it.
do it in the rain.
Yeah, you only can get like goals.
Yeah, that one's good. We should have did different colors so they won't think it's the same.
Everyone's having
Hey, look at the litter. Look at the litter.
I don't know how to cover our faces on this.
That's what you can. Go pick up what you can. Hey,